Hello, guys. Welcome back to the BNB podcast. Today we have a very special guest with us, Priyal, and special guests require special host. So I'm back on the show. Finally, we could record this after a long delay.
Yeah, like after so many like shifts of dates.
Yes, but
Correct.
I'm glad we could
Yeah,
meet
very.
and
I'm
do this.
actually looking forward to this because I just want to talk. So I'm actually looking forward to this as another therapy session.
Okay. So, Priyal is a storyteller, and I would not do justice if I introduce her. I let her do her introduction and take us through her journey. So, Priyal, share about yourself, your journey so far, who Priyal is.
Still exploring, guys. Starting with my name is Priyal Bhatia, and someday there will be a day where I will not have to introduce myself. So I think I'm still waiting to get there because hate giving my own introductions. Reason being, it's not because there is no attitude problem, but I cannot define myself
True.
in words. I mean, obviously, I'm a storyteller, I'm an artist, and that's the only definition I'd like to give. In terms of profession, अभी भी मेरे में honestly वो courage नहीं है to call myself a director, a film director. I still believe there is a long way to go to give myself that kind of a designation. But yeah, I am a writer, very much a writer, and not self-acclaimed, definitely acclaimed. I'm a poetess and also a theater artist. I've practiced theater for almost 4 5 years, but uske baad obviously life happens. You cannot, make time for. That's one of the things that runs my passion. So, but it's okay. Still wanting to get back there. All in all, whatever I do has anything and everything related to stories.
Okay.
That's why whenever I have to like talk about myself, I would just like to like finish it up in one line. That is, I'm a storyteller and मैं कहानियाँ सुनाती हूँ. वो अपनी हो, दूसरों की हो, professionally हो, किसी brand की हो, anything. But I have my ways of captivating the audience with stories.
The first story that actually came across was the one that you did for Fabric Pandit.
Yeah. The men one, na?
Yes, it
Yeah, you
was
keep talking about
amazing. I mean, it did something, it just moved something in me. And since then, I really started understanding the power of storytelling, and that's what intrigued me. And we started meeting, started talking more about it. I learned more about your work, what you do for brands and for yourself. So that's pretty interesting to know someone through their work, and that's what I think got us. Yes.
The reason I did Touchwood was ki I probably, if I can be very honest, why I did Touchwood was because of plagiarism. I'm very scared of plagiarism. I'm not saying that you're not allowed to make copies or sell copies. It's fair, but what I don't understand is comparing the quality of work that you always try to deliver. And एक आर्टिस्ट दूसरे आर्टिस्ट को कभी कॉपी नहीं कर सकता है. देयर इज नो सच थिंग दैट विल एवर एग्जिस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड.
Yeah.
I mean, I am a die-hard worshipper of Imtiaz Ali,
Yeah.
I'd say, but I never try to copy him. It's just he fuels my living. He's a part of my lifestyle. Also quoting Plato, he's one of the philosophers that I read during my graduation. He says, "Art is the imitation of life."
Yes.
And that quote, when I read, it still stayed with me. Like, I've left college; it's been like 10 years now. So, but that, I mean, I'm not a reader, unfortunately, as a literature student also. But I'm definitely building on to that habit. I need to get off the screen. But this, and then cut to, I have started studying Imtiaz Ali in detail. So whenever I don't compare them, but it's like just a step ahead. That man has completely imitated life in the form of art, and that's what has been established centuries ago by Plato. You
True.
know, he's the root for
Yeah.
me. For me, he's the root cause of everything that I do. I mean, yes, there are certain brands I associate myself with when it comes to filming, but I don't know, but how every story will eventually come back to me, to the traumas, the success or the failures a founder or the concerned person goes through. जिसके दिमाग से या जिसके दिल से उसका बिजनेस बॉर्न होता है, मेरे लिए वो स्टोरी टेलिंग है या वो ब्रांड स्टोरी टेलिंग है। बहुत डेप्थ वाली बात हो जाती है। मैं ऐसे किसी क्लाइंट के सामने में ये बात तो ठीक है, 1 मिनट के लिए वो इम्प्रेस हो जाएगा, फिर सेकंड मिनट विल बी लाइक बट इसको करेंगे कैसे? आई लाइक हाँ हाँ आई विल कम देयर, आई आल्सो नीड टू थिंक करेंगे कैसे, बट
Yeah.
दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ अ थॉट व्हिच विल ऑलवेज कम टू माय माइंड एंड देयरफॉर every film probably they might the format of storytelling might be a little similar, but it will never look, I mean it will never come out to be felt in the same way. That's what I have realized when I started working.
अब ये तो हो गई स्टोरी टेलिंग की बात। आपने कहा कि यू स्टडीड लिटरेचर, राइट? सो
Yeah.
व्हाट्स योर एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड, लाइक हाउ डिड स्टोरी टेलिंग हैपन, हाउ डिड स्टोरी टेलिंग कम टू यू?
So my educational background, I've done bachelor's in English literature from
Okay.
St. Xavier's Ahmedabad and functional English. So my professors were like crazy. I mean, I was touched wood very lucky because after my batch, the professors also retired and they've been there for like years. So when I was actually one of the lucky ones to study from them. They completely built my foundation on stories, I'd
Okay.
say. I mean, I was always sure since 7th standard, probably, that I want to be a journalist. I was sure. I was like, I am sure my career, path is not going to change. I'm very sure I'm going to pursue this. Okay, then life happened, whatever, and I couldn't pursue journalism. So I was suggested by my and मेरे स्कूल में ह्यूमैनिटीज इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था सूरत में, फर्स्ट टाइम डीपीएस में ह्यूमैनिटीज इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था. So again, I was fortunate enough. I'm getting to study what I want to study early on. One thing I learned in school was to be never be afraid,
Hmm.
and that also comes with the personal life that I am leading. I mean, early on,
Hmm.
I lost my father and everything. My mother has been a very responsible, earning member of the house, and I have seen I've seen the struggles more than struggles. I'd say I've seen her taking in charge of whatever has happened. Cut to from day two of my father's death, I've learned and just been given that strength. So I believe wo cheez ko, and then witnessing something at home, studying about it in school, and then putting into application is what I've learned as a humanities student. I've always been very socially active, into social services, had my own community by the name of Inspiration. I started it in school in 12th standard, where at student level, what the students could do for the society. So after schooling, we used to, meet at somebody's house or whatever. So they were like a group of almost 100 students that I tried building in 2 years. एंड हमारे टैलेंट के साथ, हमारे स्किल के साथ हम लोग शोज करते थे, नुक्कड़ नाटक करते थे, बिल्डिंग्स में जाके वेस्ट कलेक्शन करते थे, रद्दी वाले को बेचते थे, और उन पैसों से हम लोग खरीद के स्लम के बच्चों को खाना देते थे. आई मीन देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स आई डन एंड दैट हैपेंड बिकॉज ऑफ माय वैल्यूज दैट हैव बीन बिल्ट while studying. Whenever I see a child, I always believe they have to be fostered in the right way. I mean, they have to be made to realize the value of education. Whatever you're dealing with, you're able to find answers for it when you rely on education. That's what I believe. If personally as a child also you come out very disturbed, but at the same time you're channelizing your energy in studying or
Yeah.
reading
True.
or whatever, like anything with words, I'd say anything that has already been established in the
Yeah.
world, whether that's through books, through films, through screens, through textbooks,
True.
you will find answers to what you're dealing with or to your questions that emerge after you're dealing with something. And you may not find the right answers, I'd say, but you know where you're going, and that will make you self-aware. So your education actually makes you very well aware of yourself, which is, according to me, is the topmost tip to doing storytelling.
Now that you're talking about self-awareness कैसे contribute करता है हमारी life में, हमारे काम में? मतलब if you can just take us कि how does it directly contribute to your work, in your writing, in your filmmaking?
Good question. Self awareness, in my opinion, it always comes to you in your most vulnerable and hurtful moments. You are never self-aware when you're very happy or on a very high energy, vibing and stuff like that. You're lost, and that's the way it should be. When you're very ecstatic, you should always be lost. That's the whole point of being ecstatic. That's why I always, ever, like, anybody talking to me, anybody who's ever close to me will always hear this coming from me, that for me happiness is an illusion. And I actually believe in that. I mean, when I'm actually happy, I am lost, and it's been a while I've felt that. Like today, I think I'm very happy, so I'm okay to like keep talking because I feel today my words will make a lot of sense, and I should talk about it. Why not? Let me own it up. So that's, today I'm living in an illusion. Right now, I'm in an illusion. Okay, but right now I may not be self aware because I am going to just मैं बहूंगी, आज मैं बह रही हूँ. और जब आप बह रहे होते हो ना, तो आपको नहीं पता होता है आप किस डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हो. बेसिकली यू आर जस्ट लेटिंग द विंड और द वेव फ्लो यू बाय. सो सेल्फ अवेयरनेस विल ऑलवेज कम व्हेन you're doing something, especially when you're the most concentrated. आप अपने काम में या किसी के साथ कॉन्वर्जेशन कर रहे हो, तो जब आप कॉन्वर्जेशन कर रहे हो और सडनली आप घोस्ट हो जाओगे, आप लॉस्ट हो जाओगे, एंड यू रियलाइज कि यार ये तो बोल रही है लेकिन मैं तो कहीं और, यूर सेल्फ अवेयर. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. And that, whenever I also hear, I have a process of storytelling before things go on screen, before we start filming, before I start screenwriting, before the screenplays are done, there is a process that I go through. और इस प्रोसेस में ना बहुत सारी बातें, बहुत सारी कॉन्वर्जेशन इन्वॉल्व होती है विद द सेट क्लाइंट. तो उसमें मेरा काम होता है सिर्फ सुनना, क्वेश्चन करना और सुनना और सिर्फ सुनते रहना. और उसमें देयर कम्स अ मोमेंट वेयर आई गेट लॉस्ट, बट देन देयर विल बी अ वर्ड दैट कम्स एंड आई विल, हाँ, okay. So that's where I know I'm aware of my habits. I'm aware of my connections to emotions. So I know कि अगर वो random बातें कर रहे हैं ना, it's okay if I'm lost also. But the moment they come to a success story or a failure story, I'll be like, हाँ, what? Okay, tell me now. So there is some emotion involved there. So that's when you are attracted to emotions, is when you realize, yes, I'm self-aware. I know what's going down. I know what's going up. I know what's going to fuel the emotional capacity in me. And self-awareness has a lot to do with the triggers.
True.
So even at work, I'd say, matlab, for example, let's talk about the film we made on
Yes.
vulnerabilities, Menka.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the best example. That's like a Bible on emotions that day that we played on. उस दिन so उसमें मैं श्योर थी कि मुझे whatever the beautiful men that we showcased in the film, they came from a normal life, but they did very well in their their
Yeah.
designated walks
Fields,
of life.
yeah.
In their designated fields, they did extremely well, and they're like who's and who. But when we spoke to them, there was a sense of acceptance that I could sense. Like they were very fine with the fact, matlab, not all of them out of the lot were modernized, or not all of them had the thought ki yaar, I have to present myself in a very nice way that the audience loves me when they listen to me. They were authentic. Okay, they were aware of who they are. Of course, at an age and after a lot of experiences, you become aware. But awareness also comes on very early, which, because of the kind of generation we are leading on to, ना हम नहीं realize करते, and we just let it go due to the fact. मतलब वो चीज़ मैंने भी उस दिन सीखी कि आपको ना बहुत कंफर्टेबल होना पड़ेगा पहले तो कि आप कौन हो और आप उसको एक्सेप्ट कर लो. यू एक्सेप्ट इट. इफ यू आर सैड, यू एक्सेप्ट इट. इफ यू आर हैप्पी, यू एक्सेप्ट इट. इफ यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग, यू एक्सेप्ट इट एंड स्टार्ट एम्ब्रेसिंग दैट. वो मेरे काम में मुझे भी बहुत हेल्प करता है. मतलब येस, माई इंस्पिरेशन, I will say 90% of my inspiration of work, even if it's related to like selling fabrics or working on a manufacturing script or working on a educational script, I will always go back to my heartbreaks. I will always go back to pain. Always. that fuels it for me. I mean, there were bad times, there were good times, and I believe a business cannot be a business until you know you have a foundational step of like 5 years.
True.
So I have accepted it that 5 साल तो प्रिय तू भूल ही जा तुझे पहले तो 2-3 साल अपने आप को प्रूव करना
Yeah.
पड़ेगा that what you're trying to do is not prove in the sense to prove it to people that oh no what I'm doing makes sense. No,
Yeah.
prove your work,
Mm.
prove it through your work, and try to keep getting better with
Mm.
every film, because I still believe I'm not there yet. And as an artist, I'll always believe I'm
Yeah.
not there yet. I'll be like, no, 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 I can do much
Yeah.
better. No, 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 I can do much better. I mean, I'd say you're just never there.
Yeah.
And this is a realization that comes with self awareness. Eventually, it's the psychology. Eventually, it's psychology. No matter whatever field of work you are in, whether it's IT, tech, art,
True.
business, it's eventually the psychology, and that's where I picked up the idea of storytelling from. मुझे सूरत आगे when I started Justing, I didn't wanted to present myself as a production house because I believe there are so many nicer ones जिनके पास equipments है, जिनके पास शायद तजुर्बा है मुझसे ज़्यादा, जिनके पास सब कुछ sources है, पर मेरे पास मेरा psychology है, क्योंकि मुझे different रोल्स एज एन आर्टिस्ट प्ले करने के बाद समझ आया कि मैं लोगों के साथ किस तरह कनेक्ट कर पाऊंगी, और मेरा पावर प्रोफेशनली भी वही है टू कनेक्ट. लेकिन मैं साइकोलॉजिस्ट नहीं बन सकती क्योंकि मैं खुद एक पेशेंट हूँ. बट या एंड दैट्स हाउ द एंटायर जर्नी ऑफ बीइंग अ स्टोरी टेलर किक स्टार्टेड. दैट्स अनदर
I mean, ये काफी अच्छी पिक्चर एक बताता है, पता है स्टोरी टेलिंग एक्चुअली क्या है, व्हाट डू यू डू विद स्टोरी टेलिंग. एंड अभी लेकिन विद सोशल मीडिया, what is happening with storytelling, like how is it pursued today?
Right. So, I'd like to stick to what I've seen in my experience only. There might be experts outside,
Yeah.
so I don't want to talk for anybody else. But I'll just talk what I see from my eyes. मेरा जैसा vision रहा है. Social media firms में I've also worked. Obviously, I don't have मेरी social media agency नहीं है, which was first taken. पहले लोगों तक यही बात पहुंची क्योंकि Priya has also started a social media thing, but then it took. I'm not even kidding. It took me 1.5 year हो गया है
Yeah.
just saying को. It took me 1.5 year for people to first accept that oh no, she's not in social media, she's a storyteller, she only does storytelling. अब वो स्टोरी टेलिंग किस तरह करती है वो उसके लिए तुम मेरे पास आओ बात करो,
हाँ.
वी फिगर इट आउट. बट या सोशल मीडिया मुझे लगता है एटलीस्ट इफ आई कैन टॉक अबाउट आवर सिटी
Yeah.
which I also believe is the vicinity we are
Yeah.
sticking to, it's exploited. मुझे लगता है लोग थोड़ा सा एक माइंडशिफ्ट चाहिए. जब सोशल मीडिया शुरू हुआ था ना, इंस्टाग्राम की अगर बात करूँ तो वो इंस्टाग्राम बना था पिक्चर को इफेक्ट्स
Yeah.
देके कुछ भी एस्थेटिकली एकदम सुंदर दिख के बस पोस्ट कर दो, ओनली पिक्चर्स. सो वो पिक्चर्स का वो जो एरा था वो चला गया है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. अब इंस्टाग्राम पे क्या दिखता है, मोशंस, मूवमेंट्स. तभी ये रील्स और ये सब जो ऑल द फैब दैट्स हैपनिंग, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो वी नीड टू फर्स्ट नाउ वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड दिस शिफ्ट ऑफ transitions, the movements that keeps happening. But as in when you go, you see everything is a little overdone. Most of the people they want to do anything and everything to be on the gram so that they are in the eye.
Yeah.
Always they always want to be in the eye, and that's not something, that's not the eye. For me, it's not the correct approach. You be in the eye, but be in the eye for all the right
Right
reasons.
reasons, very true.
Don't I mean, just because don't run behind the numbers. Simple. Today you might not get a lot of views or followers, but if you're consistent and persistent into hammering on the brains of the people ki bro suno, matlab to keep hammering people to prove your point. You have to keep telling them that listen, this is what I believe in and I can sell this for you. So make Instagram or YouTube. I believe YouTube is it is already a big thing.
Yeah.
But probably it is the next big thing. कल को Instagram शायद बंद भी हो गया तो ये जो आधे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स का मार्केट है ना, they'll be like homeless to say the least. So it's like social media is more than what you're presenting there. It has to be a base, a foundation of your ground reality. Whatever you're putting out in social media, it has to be authentic, of course, you cannot always look or feel great. And I'm not saying camera khol ke when you're crying, you put on the camera
Yeah.
and please cry on camera. No, you don't do all of that. It's very disturbing to watch also. But uh, be authentic about your content. I mean, if you started a company from scratch and today you're taking it to like 1,000 crore biz, show them that journey. Take your audience along. That's what I believe in, and that's one of the skills, these skills that I'm giving out. Like, let your audience know where you come from, where you are, and where you're heading to. Always be that transparent. Not saying in terms of your profits or number game, but with your journey. It's very important that the audience, for it to connect to your brand. And आजकल का मीडियम ही सोशल मीडिया है.
True.
राइट. मैं अभी जो छोटी सी फिल्म प्रोड्यूस कर रही हूँ, मुझे पता है अभी शायद मेरा बैंडविड्थ हो सकता है प्रॉब्ली, बट सामने वाला जो मुझे ट्रस्ट कर रहा है वो मुझे इतना ट्रस्ट नहीं कर सकता कि ये दूसरा कोई डायरेक्टर आ रहा है या कोई ऐसा फिल्म मेकर आ रहा है जो मेरे ब्रांड को बहुत बड़ी जगह ले जाएगा. आई मीन देयर आर ऑलरेडी सो मेनी नाइसर वंस एंड बिगर वंस दैट एग्जिस्ट. तो वो अभी मेरे साथ दे विल ट्राई टू स्टार्ट स्मॉल, राइट. सो आई वांट टू विन दैट कॉन्फिडेंस, और वो कॉन्फिडेंस जीतने के लिए मेरे पास एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म है, वो है सोशल मीडिया और डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशंस जो उस नेटवर्किंग अरीना में फॉल होते हैं. तो उसमें मुझे ऑथेंटिसिटी को ही फर्स्ट मेरा पॉइंट रखना है. अब उसमें आप अपना पूरा जर्नी कवर कर सकते हो फॉर अ ब्रांड, और वो सोशल मीडिया पे मुझे लगता है अभी मिसिंग है. स्टोरी टेलिंग के नाम पे सोशल मीडिया पे अभी थोड़े बहुत डिज़ाइंस बिकते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत ट्रेंड्स बिकता है, थोड़ा बहुत व्हाट डू यू से एंडोर्समेंट्स बिकता है. लेकिन are you genuinely using that? Are you genuinely feeling connected to the product? Are you genuinely into it? You have to play with the formats of storytelling, and you have to you have to move ahead of designs and aesthetics. It doesn't matter. Once you open the video, once you open the film or the reel for that matter, you have to just find a meaning into it. It should not be fast. That's what I believe in. I mean, only then people will begin to get comfortable with vulnerabilities and accepting the world as it comes through. And that is a very big gap I believe Surat as a city is facing.
अगर आज फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर एक कोई ब्रांड है, अ डिजिटल बिजनेस फॉर दैट मैटर, बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ द पीपल हु वॉच अस दे आर इनटू द प्रोसेस और दे एस्पायर टू स्टार्ट देयर ओन बिजनेस, हाउ कैन दे लेवरेज स्टोरी टेलिंग एंड कनेक्ट विद देयर ऑडियंस? लाइक उनके लिए स्टोरी टेलिंग कैसे काम करेगा?
So storytelling always existed. पहले mediums of कम्युनिकेशन बहुत डिफरेंट होते थे. ट्रेडिशनल जो मेथड्स होते थे, न्यूज़पेपर्स होते थे, रेडियो होता था, एड्स अगर कोई जनरेट करता था तो 2 लाइनर कॉपी लिख के होता था, एंड डायरेक्ट होता था बिना किसी फिल्टर के, बिना किसी आइसिंग के, जो है वो बोल देते थे बिना किसी फियर के. ग्रेजुअली काफ़ी चीज़ें सरफेस लेवल पे आने लग गई, राइट. देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ कंपटीशन then now, especially that we deal with every day, that everyone wants to think out of the box. सबको जो भी outside world को दिखाना है, audience को दिखाना है, we all want to be out of the box. और out of the box के चक्कर में हम कभी कभी illogical हो जाते हैं और कभी कभी illogical चीज़ें चल जाती, क्योंकि वो पार्ट ऑफ द मास को वो रेजोनेट हो जाता है. बट द अदर पार्ट ऑफ द मास जो थोड़ा बेटर चीज़ें आपसे एक्सपेक्ट करता है एज अ ब्रांड, एज अ कंपनी, they are disappointed and they lose their credibility and interest, and they change the signs. So I believe you have to be very sure of the kind of medium of storytelling you choose to do.
Okay.
For example, अब ये हर कैटेगरी ऑफ बिजनेस को भी डिफर करेगा, जो मेरे एक्सपीरियंस और अंडरस्टैंडिंग से आया है. अगर कोई बिजनेस है दैट इज वेरी टेक रिलेटेड, इट्स इनटू एन आईटी फर्म, इट्स वेरी लॉजिकल, आई से लॉजिस्टिकली एम्पावर्ड. So for them, number game is very strong. So they know कि अगर मैं अपने highest numbers bid करूँगा, highest numbers दिखाऊँगा या दिखाऊँगी to the audience, they'll feel instantly attracted and they want to onboard us, right? तो वो number game भी दिखाने के लिए आपको पहले pain point पे ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. और वो pain point आज के टाइम पे मेरे को I believe because we are digitally just rising day by day, it's very important to show them, to show them the numbers in a way that need not be out of the box but be realistic. ट्रांसपेरेंसी इज द ओनली बॉल गेम फॉर मी, एंड वो आप सिनेमैटिकली प्रूव करो, आप पिक्टोरियली प्रूव करो, आप राइटिंग में प्रूव करो, आप डेक्स से प्रूव करो, पिच डेक्स बनाओ, वट एवर यू डू, बट इट हैज टू बी वेरी ऑथेंटिक. यू वो जो सपोज कोई इंसान है, देयर इज अ फाउंडर, अ ब्रांड ओनर, ठीक है, ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर फर्म, आईटी फर्म, टेक फर्म, अगर वो बंदा, you probably do not become the face of the brand. Face of the brand बनना is the best thing, I believe, क्योंकि वो credibility, trust, और आपकी ऑडियंस को पता होता है कि अगर सही हो रहा है तो अप्रिशिएट किसको करना है, गलत हो रहा है तो गला किसका पकड़ना है. सो फेस ऑफ द ब्रांड आज के टाइम पे सबसे बड़ी क्रेडिबल चीज़ है जो आप डिजिटली अपने आप को प्लेस कर सकते हो. सो वंस द फेस ऑफ द ब्रांड इज एस्टैब्लिश, you put out in chosen format of storytelling your personal intentions with the brand.
Okay.
Once the audience is aware of what your, as a founder, as a manager, as a director, what is your personal intention with the brand, where you want to take the brand, where the brand started from, where the brand is today, the audience will connect highly. So whether it's a service or a product, आप उसके यूएसपीज बताओगे, आप बताओगे कि उस चीज के या उस सर्विस के आपकी जिंदगी में होने से कितना आराम आ जाएगा, या आपको कितना आराम आ जाएगा, लाइफ कितनी इजी हो जाएगी. यस, यू गिव दोज नुआंसेस टू द पीपल, बट इट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टेल कि आपकी लाइफ में वो कैसे अफेक्ट हुआ. So once you tell that, na, the credibility percentage increases from like 20 to 100%. Point is, the audience has to be connected rightly, and that is only possible if you set your personal intentions right digitally. And that could be in the form of cinema, that could be in the form of pictures, that could be in the form of generating logical acts. So storytelling, जो मैं भी जो brand visuals हम देते हैं, it is not necessarily only ads, because ads is something that has to, connect in less than a minute, because आजकल पेशेंस ही नहीं है. एंड मैं थोड़ा सिनेमा साइड पे ज़्यादा चली जाती हूँ. आई एम मोर इनटू डॉक्यूमेंटिंग. आई बिलीव एवरी फर्म शुड give themselves a little freedom to document the life of a brand, and that can be done by setting the right intentions.
Beautiful.
So that's what I believe it helps in at least the technical side, क्योंकि most of the businesses are logical, धंधा, आपको पैसे इन्वेस्ट करके उसका डबल ROI चाहिए ही चाहिए, राइट? सो दैट इज फेयर, मतलब दैट्स हाउ द बिलियनर्स आर born.
Yes.
But at the same time, if it's solely dependent on the consumers, if your business is completely dependent on the customers, you have to make sure that you are building a partnership with them, not seeing them as only the buyers. This was a discussion I had with someone, and I really got inspired listening to it, कि मेरा जो, मतलब मैं जिसके साथ कनेक्ट करूंगा या करूंगी वो मेरा पार्टनर है. मुझे उनके साथ कंज्यूमर और सेलर वाला रिलेशनशिप नहीं चाहिए. वो उनके साथ मैं भी बढ़ रही हूँ और वो भी मेरे साथ बढ़ रहे हैं.
Beautiful.
So that is something I believe which most of the businesses should follow, and films are the best way.
Okay. ये तो हो गई बात कि एक डिजिटल बिजनेस कैसे स्टोरी टेलिंग को लेवरेज कर सकती है, लेकिन मेरे जैसा कोई अभी परस्यू करना चाहे स्टोरी टेलिंग तो कहाँ से शुरू करे? कोई कोर्स है, कोई डिग्री है, या फिर वो एक अनचार्टेड पाथ है जो आपको अलग अलग चीज़ें से एक्सपीरियंस ले लेके रास्ता खुद का बनाना है?
आपको पता है आप भी स्टोरी टेलर ही हो, क्योंकि आप इतने कंफर्टेबल हो अपनी स्टोरी के साथ that you don't mind telling people whoever you talk to about why you are the way you are, because you're very comfortable, and every person who does not hide from their own stories, from their own realities, is a storyteller. As simple as that. So ऐसा कोई पर्टिकुलर डिग्री या वो तो है नहीं, मैंने भी नहीं ली है, बट यस मैंने जो पढ़ा है वो दैट पॉलिश्ड माई स्किल्स आई से, एंड आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ पढ़ाई. सो मैं तो आज भी, मैं 40 ईयर्स की भी हो जाऊंगी और मेरे को तब भी मौका मिलेगा अगर डिग्री परस्यू करने का, मैं करूँगी. मुझे जर्नलिज्म करना था, वो नहीं हो पाया, उससे मैं जर्नलिज्म से मेरा इंटरेस्ट कब डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकिंग में आ गया एज अ स्टोरी टेलर, आई डिडंट रियलाइज दैट्स अ ट्रांजिशन आई एक्सपीरियंस्ड बिकॉज ऑफ experiences,
True.
because of that's a work graph that
Yeah.
I worked on, and whatever took me life wherever it takes you. But educationally, yes, I believe keep polishing yourself. मैं भी आज कुछ ना कुछ पढ़ती रहती हूँ. Power of storytelling. There are different books that you can engage into. I'm not much of a reader, so I will not advise any. But I like reading books like Karma, Death, Power of Storytelling है. मेरे को writers के नाम नहीं याद है. I'm sorry. एंड मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ी पढ़ाई आजकल है सिनेमा. लाइक आई विल कीप वॉचिंग फिल्म्स. लास्ट 1 ईयर में मैंने कम से कम 200 फिल्म्स कंज्यूम कर ली है. पागल जैसी फिल्म्स भी, अच्छी फिल्म्स भी, एजुकेशनल फिल्म्स भी, डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज भी. क्योंकि मुझे कहीं ना कहीं अब मैं कोई फिल्म देखती हूँ तो मेरे लिए अब वो एक डिफरेंट विजन से होता है. मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ वॉचिंग अ फिल्म इज कम्प्लीटली चेंज बिकॉज आई एम ऑल्सो प्रोड्यूसिंग.
Yeah.
तो मेरे लिए एंगल, सिनेमा गेम, शॉर्ट्स, फ्रेम साइज क्या होता है, एस्पेक्ट रेशियो, मेरे को ये सब थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ आने लग गया. वो मेरा, मैंने पढ़ाई नहीं करी है उस चीज़ की, मैं अभी भी सीख रही हूँ. मैं काफ़ी अलग से थोड़ी नली हूँ, मुझे नहीं ज़्यादा नॉलेज है, बट मैं पूछती. और मुझे ना कोई द बेस्ट एजुकेशन इज शर्म नहीं है टू क्वेश्चन. मुझे नहीं आता है तो आई विल गो फॉरवर्ड. मैं डीओपी से भी पूछूंगी, भाई ये तू क्या कर रहा है, ये क्या है लेंस, इसका क्या होता है, ये कैमरा क्या है. मुझे sometimes I am also very transparent in front of the client. They may feel like this girl doesn't know the technicalities of her work, but I know the stories that I'm producing. So I'll stick to my words. You cannot win me there. When it comes to technicalities, I'm solely dependent on my team, and that is why any story cannot be produced without a team.
True.
So if there is a person who's an expert in a certain category, I will not try to be better there. I always want to work with people who are 200 times better than me. I will always want to have those kind of people at least in my team. मुझे नहीं editing pro बनना, मुझे पता है वो तुम्हारा काम है, you will ace it. But at the same time, you cannot make a fool out of me. That is why I believe you should always be upgraded.
True.
You should know what you are into. So keep learning. There is no particular degree to it, but yes, of course, there are so many educational institutions providing degrees. So if you have a chance, and if you have the resources, and if you can afford to, from the best place to a minimal place or whatever, just do it.
An element, एक element that makes a good storyteller. So what would that be? Just one important core component.
Pain. Yeah. That's, for me, it is pain. And I believe you should just not hide from pain. Don't. Let it consume you, really. Then when you'll, और तुम एक ही बारी में उससे बाहर नहीं निकलोगे, तुम टुकड़ों में निकलोगे. और बाहर निकलना भी नहीं है, तुम कुछ ऐसा बन के आओगे उस दर्द से. क्या बन के आओगे तुम्हें भी नहीं पता, पर तुम धीरे धीरे बनते जाओ और वो तुम अपना किस्सा बनाते जाओगे. सो आई बिलीव for me it is only pain, and that's why I keep praying, just give me all the pains in the world. And I just, empathy is the greatest gift
Yeah.
of life. Empathy is the greatest power. So that's about it.
Wow.
Yeah.
So Priyal, if someone wants to get in touch with you to find you, where can they find you online?
Instagram, please follow me on Priyal LL Bhatia AA, and also Just Sing, Hey Just Sing. So my company's name is not Hey Just Sing, it's Just Sing. The username is Hey Just Sing. People get so confused. Oh, how's Hey Just Sing? I mean, no, it's Just Sing. So you guys can get in touch with me for any work purpose on Priyal Bhatia or Just Sing. So you can attach the.
We'll also add those links into the description so it is easily accessible to you.
Yeah, and also there's a website.
Yes.
A little less updated, but yeah, good amount of things on the website to go through. www.justsing.co.in.
Okay. Thank
Great.
you so much,
Thank you.
Priyal.
This
It
was very
lovely.
soulful.
Yes.
Nice, great.
Yeah.
I hope I wasn't very talkative though. Or was I
That's the
supposed to
only
be?
I don't know because I was a part of that conversation. I was enjoying as much
We'll
as you
see
were.
it in the edit.
Yes.
Yeah, great. All right.
Okay,
thank you.
guys. Thank you. See you next time.